guys, welcome back to another video. It's Clever Kikimo. Today I'm here with Jenny.
Hello.
Still late as ever. And today we're playing Marble what?
Mega Marble Run Pit.
Mega Marble Run Pit. You guys heard it yourselves. So, I said we should just play random games since I wanted to film and I didn't know what to film.
Whatever you do not go to yellow. That one takes the longest. Don't go blue.
Wait, Jenny, would you tell me not? Wait, no. Would you tell me not to do?
Yellow.
Oh wait, I was. Let's go yellow. Click that.
Can I go first?
Oh, also, I think Jenny. So I wanted to talk to you about something after. Ask you after the video. It's like what days we should reserve for filming. Like it'll be the one day we film videos. Like 2 times a week or something. And you get to choose the days, whatever days you feel like filming. Yeah, it's gonna be like constant recording on those days. Okay, ready? Do I walk on it or click with my finger?
Click. Like that.
Wait, no, wait, no, Jenny.
You
Really?
Go on the second.
Yeah.
You can't go click. You go,
So can we
the
control ourselves?
third one.
Can we control ourselves?
No. You just go hands-free. It's the funnest game on your...
But that's doing nothing. We get to do nothing. All we do is...
It's like, when you're on one of the other ones, this one's not that fun.
Yeah, this one's boring.
Like, if you're on, like, blue or something, you can push each other, and it's, like, so fun.
Can we do blue
funny
next?
at the same
Can
time.
we do blue next? Whoa! Like
Yeah,
if this
sure.
is satisfying. It looks like I'm just like an emu. I think this is what emu sees when it's running. Absolute nothingness. Wait, if you click the jump button, does your ball get smaller?
No.
Wait, oh, I just zoomed out. This is the longest roll I've ever done, Jenny.
Well, you picked the yellow one.
I didn't know the rolling would be so long. I didn't even know this was rolling. Oh, the green one also looks fun. I think we should do blue then green.
Okay. Wait, there's 2 different types of blues and 2 different types of greens.
I just reset. Okay, I'm gonna meet you at blue. It's dark blue, right? Or is it teal?
Oh,
Is
okay, let's do...
This one.
Let's do dark blue.
Oh.
I'll go second, you can go first.
Yeah.
You click that one.
No. Yeah. Yeah. Let's go. Okay, let's kill each other now, Jenny. Is that okay? Oh, wow, that was perfect. I'm winning, Jenny. I'm gonna beat you. I'm gonna beat you.
Can we not do, like, winning stuff and like that?
What?
I'm stuck. I'm stuck.
Oh, I just went to a different section. What the heck? Oh, there's 2 ways. Wait,
We're not supposed to be down here.
Yeah, guys, we just went from the blue section to the teal section. Oh my gosh. That's kind of a cool transition.
I'm currently stuck.
I'm currently going down still. Where are you? Oh, I see you. You're right behind me.
I got unstuck.
Oh, I just fell into a different section again. I fell into orange and I just went straight to the bottom. Jenny, I've officially beat the obby.
What? Wait for me.
Oh my god. Where are you?
Right here.
Oh, wait, where'd you... Oh. I could have got 100 points if I waited. Okay, wait, which one did we say next? Green?
Yeah, green.
Ooh. Okay. You can go in the first one, I'll go in the second one.
Okay.
Everyone watch Jenny go down. Oh, what the heck? Oh, I missed it! I fell into the blue one and then I'm on the pink one. Oh, now I'm on the purple one. Jenny, how did I get to the purple one? Can we just talk about this?
I'm still on the green.
I literally went to 3 different colors at the same time. I'm at the bottom. I beat you. Wait, are you at the bottom? Are you at the bottom right now?
Please wait for me.
I am. I'm not. I haven't.
I'm green still.
I haven't gotten my ball yet. Can we do green again? That was such a fail for me.
Do you want to do light green?
This game is good. It just has to work on it's like making sure you stay on. But it is a pretty good game. I'm still just rolling.
It's supposed to do that.
Oh, so we can fall into different sections?
Yeah, there's another version of this, but I played it.
I doubt that. I'm just still
No,
going straight around this
It's
ring.
not even fun, okay? You gotta wait 6 million years just to go on.
Oh, that sounds
like-
fun.
Hi there.
Oh,
made it.
you see, I've been doing this for quite a while. You see? Why? Oh, finally. Okay, how about we close our eyes and pick one now? I'm gonna close my eyes right now and let's hope I walk in one. My eyes are closed. Did I walk in one? Oh my! I walked into pink by accident.
Oh, same. Ew.
I'll choose this one. You wait a second and wait. No, I said wait a second. Oh my god,
Sorry.
it's fine. Why is your ball so dark? Oh no.
You can change the marble. You didn't know.
I know. I'm just saying. Why'd you make yours? I'm about to go backwards. Okay, no. You're like, I'm about to go backwards. Oh, I'm rolling the opposite direction. Okay. I'm gonna catch up to you. Where'd you go? Oh wait, you hate pink. And we're all doing a pink level right now. I like pink. It's not my
I
favorite.
made
color.
it to the bottom, but I'm waiting to get like standing up. You know.
Yeah. Okay. I'm going down the second funnel now.
I saw that.
You saw me transition to the new one.
Yes, sir.
Frick, frack, patty, rock, gonna die. No! I just went into the green funnel and fell out. Now I'm at the bottom. How come the only one I've fully finished so far is the blue one.
Oh.
And that's not true because I reset my character. Okay.
Help. Please.
Ow! Wait. Oh, wait, I got you. Ready? I'm gonna stop the ball. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna close my eyes
Wait,
again.
you want to randomly pick one again?
Yeah, you pick actually this time, randomly. You almost walked on pink again and you walked to brown.
Oh.
And guys, we're on video call so we can tell if each other. Okay, now I go. Oh, I just pushed you back. I was gonna say we can go to. Oh. Catch up, Jenny. Catch up. Okay. Let's see if I can fully finish this one too. Oh, how did I not fall from that? Look, Jenny, I'm doing it. I'm gonna complete it. You coming yet? Oh no. Oh, Jenny, this is not gonna stay. Oh, this is not gonna end up working. Oh, is this a race right now? Are you trying to beat me? No, I'm just kidding. Batman. Did you? What? Finally, we finished one. Oh, and we roll straight onto the bottom. Look, guys, did you guys see my? Did you guys see my? What's the word?
I made it.
My super. Did you guys see my sick dance moves? I just brook dance. I literally was like, whoa! I'm a helicopter. I was like, whooshy whoosh coof. What like this
I'm
coof
just
mean?
waiting for you.
Ah! Ah!
Can you randomly pick?
Yes, I am gonna. Okay, let's see where I'm walking. Am I even walking towards them?
No.
Am I now?
Yes. Oh, you pick light green.
Oh, we haven't done this one yet. Oh, yes, we did. Okay, wait, no. Oh my gosh.
We haven't.
Jenny!
You did this last time.
I know, but I was trying to say I was gonna make it so that we go at the same time. I didn't even continue in light green.
Why am I on red?
I'm on red too. Wow, look at that. I'm just breakdancing. You guys can see my sick breakdancing moves. I look at my cartwheels. Cartwheel. For handspring. Dies. Breaks his skull and neck and soul. Can you save me? Where are you? Oh, is that you over there?
I'm still
I see you. She's the dark one right there. I can't like she's on orange. She's literally about to
I
hit
see
me.
you.
Hi. She's Sponge Jen. Oh my gosh. Jen.
What?
I'm gonna die.
What?
I'm just am I oh my gosh. Okay, we're slowing down. We're slowing down. Look at my cartwheels. Oh, now I'm speeding up again. How did I get lower than you now?
Because I pushed you.
Oh.
Like that.
Didn't I do the opposite? Oh, who knows? Jenny, this is like the hardest thing ever. Me and this girl are in sync right now. The girl, like that Kobe girl. That Kobe girl. Oh, I almost did it. Am I gonna land before you? Fine. Oh my. She just died. Oh my. Yes. Dance. I can help you. I think I barely slowed you down.
This is always fun.
Ah! Oh, I thought that was your dead body. That girl's dead body. Yeah.
Detroit.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wait, just stand there.
Ow.
Are you serious?
You're right on the edge. Ah, we're good now. You randomly pick now. Okay, we're doing pink again. Actually, that's a different pink. Oh, purple. Wait. Okay, so I'm gonna click this one, and then you click that one in a few seconds. Now click it. Oh, that did not work. I think this is the first time we've done purple.
I'm stuck.
I got you, Jenny. I got you. Oh, I was gonna save your life. I'm stuck.
I fell to the bottom.
Jenny? Oh. Wait, my dad's calling me. I'll have to answer after. I'm gonna have to call him in a second. No, me and Jenny will make a part 2 in a second. I just have to call my dad back. Jenny, land at the bottom. Just land at the bottom.
Help me.
Where are you?
Why am I always the last one?
Where are you? Oh my gosh, you're going so fast. Ah! You're like Sonic the Hedgehog. Oh.
I zoomed in. I just see my head rolling around. It's so funny.
Wow, I missed again. No, I missed again. You just land already. You're taking so long.
No.
Why is this X so small? Okay. Oh.
Wait, what?
Oh. Okay, let's end the video here. Oh. Okay, so we're gonna make a part 2 in a second. I just have to call my dad back. Thank you guys for watching this video. We'll post another one in a few seconds. Well, Jen, get over here. Oh. Well, bye.